Hi there, I'm Junaid and welcome back again to Xfinity. Today I will show you how to upload videos on YouTube properly, including title, description, tags and basic settings step by step so that you do not miss anything while uploading a video on YouTube. Make sure to watch this video till the end and do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Let's start right now to teach you how to upload a video on YouTube. Alright fellas, welcome back again to Xfinity. In this video we will see how we can upload a video on YouTube properly step by step. You need to watch this video till the end so that you can understand how we can upload a video properly without missing anything. In this video we will see how to upload the video including title, description, tags and some basic settings you need to do while you are uploading a video on YouTube. Alright, so first step is you need to make a video on certain topic. It can depend upon your interest. You can make videos related to gaming, related to fun, related to traveling, related to vlogs and anything you like. And the second step is you need to edit your video. It is very important that some videos requires corrections and some cutouts from the video which are not important, that we do not want the viewers to see. Alright, so these are two steps that you need to create a video. The next step is you need to edit the video, and after you are done, your video is ready to be uploaded on YouTube. And in this video we will see how we can properly upload a video on YouTube. Alright, let us dive straight into the browser. Alright fellas, so we are right inside our browser, and here you need to go to search bar and write youtube.com. Once you're right inside your main page, you need to make sure you are signed in using your Gmail account. Alright, once you are signed in your YouTube account, you need to click on this plus icon which says create, and you will have two options here: upload a video and go live. In this video I will show you how to upload a video. Alright, now here you can see a pop-up and with the heading upload videos. Now there are three different ways you can upload a video. You can click on this icon here, or you can click on select files and select your specific video, or what you can do, you can simply go to your video and drag it here. As you can see, the icon changes. It shows that it is going to move your file to upload. Alright, there are three different ways to upload. I like to drag the videos to this location. Alright, so I will release it and it will start uploading my video. As you can see, it includes four sections: details, video elements, checks and visibility. Alright, first of all we will go for the title. You need to write the title related to your topic. In my next or coming videos I will show you how to write a perfect SEO optimized title. In this video I am going to just copy my previously decided title and paste it here. Alright, and the next is description. Description includes, you need to define your video. You need to explain what is in this video. I have already created my description, so I will copy and paste it here. In my upcoming videos I will also show you how to write a best description to optimize your SEO performance on YouTube. Alright, the next is a thumbnail. It is very important part. It is basically used to attract the viewers to watch your video. You need to make sure your thumbnail is very attractive. I'm going to upload this image, and as you can see this is very attractive and some viewers might be able to click this. Alright, so this was the thumbnail, and the next option is playlists. Now you have different playlists here, and you can select any one of these to include in the specific playlist. But if you don't have anything here, you can go to new playlist You can write your title here. As I have written go YouTube, and you can also decide your visibility. I will select public and I will click on create, and now you can see I have a go YouTube category here, and you can select this option and include your video in this playlist. Alright, so I'm not going to select anything here. And the next thing is very important, audience. Now you need to make sure whether your video is suitable for the kids or not for the kids. Well, I prefer to, or I recommend to select no, it is not made for kids, because if you select yes, it is made for kids, your ads will be limited on your videos. But it is another scenario, but for the time being I suggest to select no. And the next option here, age restriction, and please do not select this option, it will not be good for you video, and do not make any videos that goes against the YouTube policies. Alright, so I suggest to select no, do not restrict my videos to viewers over 18 only. Alright, so the next option is paid promotion. If you have a sponsorship in your videos, then you can select this option. If not, then leave it as it is. Alright, so the next is automatic chapters, and it is a new feature of your YouTube that will allow your viewers to view your video easily. Alright, so just click on this. And the next thing is very important, that is tags. It will be useful to maximize your reach on your YouTube channel. I have already created my tag, so I will copy it and paste it here. Alright, and the next thing is you can select language or captions certification. If you are speaking any language in your video, you can select here. If not, then you can leave it. I also preferred not to play with this caption certification, because it is going to verify whether this content has been aired on television, not aired, and something like this. I prefer to select none. And in the recording date, under recording date and location, you can select today's date, and you can select your desired location where you have created your video. If you prefer, you can leave these options here. And a very important thing is license and distribution. You need to make sure the standard YouTube license is selected. If you want your videos to be used by other creators for demonstration purpose, you can select Creative Commons. It means that your video can be used by others. Alright, so I prefer to use standard YouTube license. And the next option here is allow embedding. It will allow your videos to embed into the website. Alright, and the next option here, I also prefer to keep both checked. And the publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. It means that whenever you are going to upload a video, it will notify all your subscribers. Alright, and next setting is short sampling. Now what is the advantage of this short sampling? It means that someone can create a short video using any specific portion of your video. Alright, so as you can see, I have uploaded a video related to gaming. They have detected that it is related to gaming category, and which game I am playing, I am going to write PUBG here. If you are making a certain video on animations, musics, and so on, you can select anything from here. Alright, and comments and ratings, you can also select this. You can disable your comments, you can hold potentially inappropriate comments and something like this, and you can also use it to sort the comments. Alright, and the last setting here is show how many viewers like and dislike this video. It will show the number of likes and dislikes that your video will receive. Alright, once you are done with your settings in the details and your video is 100% uploaded, then we can go to the video elements. Now as you can see, our video has been successfully uploaded and it is processing. We will navigate to our next option, which is video elements. Once you are right inside the video elements, you can add subtitles in your videos once your processing is done. Alright, and now we will try to add an end screen cards. Alright, now we will click on add, and it is automatically navigated me to the end, to the few seconds in the end, and you need to click on this plus sign, add element, and select video. You can select videos, playlist, subscribe or channel. Alright, I will try to add video as an end screen, and it gives me three options here: most recent upload, best for viewers, and choose a specific video. Well, I recommend to select best for viewers. Alright, it will automatically select your video from the recommendations. Or if you want to choose a specific video, you can go to this option and select any specific video. Alright, you can add up to, I guess, two screen elements in the end. Alright, and you can drag and drop here anything in any particular position. As you can see, the resolution of my screen is 1080 by 920, so that's why I cannot move it from left to right. But if you have a wide screen video like 1920 by 1080, you will have option to move this left, right, top to bottom. Alright, and if you want to create a subscribe button that is going to that is going to be just like this, and the users can click on this and subscribe to your channel. If you select show hardcover outline, you can see a outline here. If not, it will not be visible. Alright, so let us click on next, and after that you can also add cards on your videos. Something like you can also select video, playlist or a channel to promote. I will select on video and click on specific video, and you can specify position for the card to appear, something like this. As you can see, in this specific area the card is being displayed as you see on the other channels. So this is how it is done. Alright, so the next thing, you need to click on save, and you are done. Once you are done with your processing, you can add subtitles, and it is not necessary because YouTube will automatically generate it if you are talking in English. So now we will click on next, and there is another section of checks. What is the purpose? It will verify that your video does not contain any copyright issues. Alright, it is marked as tick. It means that you are good to go. If not, then you need to make sure your video does not contain any copyrights. Alright, any duplications. So the last step is visibility. So in visibility section you have three options: private, unlisted and public. If you select private, you are not sharing your video with anyone, you are keeping it private. If you are making it unlisted, then only viewers with the links can watch your video. And if you are going with public, everyone will be able to watch your video. Alright, if you set it as a premiere, then it will be duplicated to your subscribers as a premiere video. And it is also a feature of scheduling your video. You can select date and time whenever you want to schedule this video, and click on schedule. It will be scheduled. Alright, so once you are done with your editing and with your preferences, you can click on publish, and it will be uploaded on your YouTube channel. So I'm not going to upload this video right now, and that was it. And I think that I have covered everything regarding how to upload a video on YouTube properly, step by step. And if you face any problem here, you can comment down below, and you can also follow me on Instagram and leave your queries there. So I will try my best to respond you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.